You can append data to the end of an array with the push function. So see, an array has been set up here, our array, Stimson J cat, and then we take our array right here and use the push function to push into the next element in the array another array here. So now it's going to look like this. We can see at the end of the original array, we've pushed this other array at the end. So let's try it again down here. We have my array, and you can see we have each element in the array is another array. So I am going to do my array dot push, and then I can push something on the end here, which will be like above another array. So this is going to say dog, comma 3. And now we've pushed this onto the array. We can remove an item from an array with the pop function here. So see this pop here? And then we know it's a function because of the parentheses at the end of the word pop. So the array starts with 1, 2, 3. So now we do this array.pop, and it's going to return it's going to remove the last element, which is the 3, and then it's going to put it right into this variable here. So now, as you can see down here, remove from our array now equals 3, and then our array is going to equal 1, 2, because the 3 has been popped off. So we can do the same thing here. So remove from my array equals, and I'm going to do my array dot pop. And we can see what the array is going to equal now if I just do console.log my array. And if you do this, we can see that the array only has the one item, the one array, instead of the two arrays. The shift function is very similar to the pop function, except it removes the first element of the array instead of the final element. So we see the shift function on the end of the array here, and the array is the same as before, but now the first element, Stimson, is being removed. After we shift off the first element, the array is going to equal jcat, and the removed from our array is going to equal Stimson. So let's do another example down here. We're going to do a shift again. So I'm going to do equals my array dot shift. And now the my array is just going to equal dog 3, and the removed from my array is going to equal John 23. The unshift function is similar to the push array function. While push adds an element to the end of the array, unshift adds an element to the beginning of the array. So let's look through this example code. We have the array, Stimson J cat. We're going to shift off the first element, remove the first element. So our array is J cat. Now we're going to unshift or add an element at the beginning, which is the string happy. So the array will now be happy J cat. So let's try again. This time the array is John 23, dog 3. Because of the shift, we've shifted off the John 23. And now I'm going to unshift something. So I'll do my array dot unshift. Now we're going to add something to the beginning of the array. We'll do Paul 35. So now the array is just going to be Paul 35 dog 3.